In my last video, I accidentally switched off the comments. I'd actually switched them off from the time before with the bar manager because I was never going to put comments on that. And I forgot to turn it off. That was all. No conspiracy. With the new bar comes a hotel. We've actually got 22 rooms. But the problem is, because of laws here, we've only got a license to, I think it's 6 rooms at a time to rent out. The rest of them are to staff. But at the moment, those 6 rooms are sold out. And I think they're sold out for at least a month because we only have long-term people staying there. It's 4,500 baht for the whole month. And as you know, or some of you know, with the laws here, we can't rent them out nightly, so it has to be monthly. Personally, I think the rooms are, they're actually okay as rooms themselves. They've got new bathrooms and that. But one of my biggest problems with them is it needs double glazing because there's quite a bit of noise coming in from outside. I'm just being very honest. But they do sell. So we're going to go to Big C now and get some toilet roll, if there's any left. Now there should be plenty left here in Thailand. We use a bomb gun. We don't smear it around here, we use a bomb gun. So yeah, I'm going to look pretty stupid now because I'm going to have to get about 20 or 30 packets of toilet paper for the month, big packets. So I'm going to be looking like one of these hoarders. So we made it into a Big C. Coffee time. Food.
Yes.
Tom cow. Thank you. I do like Black Canyon though, it's just nice, isn't it? Good food in here. So this is me with me one plate of food, pasta, which is delicious by the way. It is really proper al dente. Do you know how many dishes you have to have? 3 or 4 every time?
No, one.
I love this one. Genkoan rice, so it's fried rice, green curry. How many toilet rolls do we need?
Maybe 10 pack.
10?
Maybe even not enough 10 pack.
Oh. So I'm going to look like one of these clowns that are robbing shelves and being selfish, thinking about themselves.
No, I'm gonna talk about something. If you know me before, when I'm forward sun like this, when have promotion, I always buy a lot.
How much do them nails cost you?
700.
700 baht?
Yes.
That's expensive.
Yes. Eat mama for 2 days.
Forget to pay what? POP? What's that?
Telephone.
Oh, okay. One each. Okay, thank you.
Let's go.
Apart from bog roll, what else do we need? What's that, window cleaner?
Yeah.
Glass cleaner?
Yes.
What do you want that for?
Treble. We have to buy this pound.
Well, I thought it was going to get on the back bus.
Yeah, I know. How are we gonna take now?
Well, just put it in the basket, in the trolley. That's how you normally take them, isn't it? Just put it inside, and then you can put things inside it. Hey, the problem is with the cheap ones, they always wear out pretty quick, so you might as well.
We cannot see. If you can see, we don't know what have inside. What like the quality? We see from both, we don't know.
Yeah, but the one we bought at the Hacienda was one of these, wasn't it? So you might as well get one of them. I know it's a bit more expensive, but they do last. We've had that for 9 months.
Like I send you the message, you see. I'm not sure this one.
For water? Running out of trolley space already. 20 minutes deciding over a mop.
No. But you look for it, right?
Yeah. Whew. I thought there was a bin in there already.
Oh, the bin look like for I put my coat on no.
Okay.
And the bin where when sit, you know, and the bin in the hair.
Excuse me. No swearing, please. Thank you. What's this big bin for? Songkran's finished.
No.
It's been cancelled.
For put the empty bottle.
Oh.
To keep empty bottle can sell, can make the money.
Yeah, I definitely need some bin bags. Yeah, it's a strange one, isn't it? You know, they ban selling bags, so you have to go buy them. Just as bad.
This one for
So after looking in there for 20 minutes at least at the buckets, we've come to the very end and they've got someone special offer. Typical. Where are we going now? Round in circles?
big one because we charge for the girl who are clean for 60 baht also for 1 pound. So charge for the lady who are want to use washing machine.
Okay.
We charge 60 baht for 1 pound because all the girl is lazy, so you have to pay.
Oh, yeah, got you. So we got like a laundry service there as well.
Yes, but they have to do by sale.
Yeah.
Sale is 60 baht.
Towels.
Towel
Yeah. Do we need more?
for hand.
No, for rooms, for guest rooms.
Just
We need more.
you have to buy like all new.
I got a t-shirt. How much? Huh?
299.
129 baht.
This color. Wow.
Well, the other one's got a V-neck. I'm not really into a V-neck. I like crew neck.
Really neck good. Look good.
Come on, that 129 baht.
Yeah. Go get one.
Cheap Charlie, me.
Yeah. Just I know. All the 4 color here. It's all look good. Only the one you see.
You don't like the colour I chose? Well, hang on. Yeah, this. I missed this one. I didn't see it.
And this one look good also. This
Yeah,
one.
but I don't like the neck.
Yes, V-neck is look good on there.
Hand wash. So these are refills.
Yes.
Cheaper.
Yes. Not cheaper, but we have already one.
Have they got any sanitizer? Bet they've sold out, haven't they? Did you order some sanitizer, by the way? How are we going to get the toilet paper? We're going to have another basket. Trolley. These are 75 baht. It's quite expensive, those, isn't it?
Yeah.
These are refills, yeah? But have we got these?
Yes.
We have.
Yes. I think we have.
What are you doing?
Try.
Try? It doesn't look like you're trying. It looked like you were using it. So, I'll have to get another trolley, yeah? Oh. How many of these? Oh no.
1 pack for the bar only, even not enough for 1 week.
Which bar?
Maybe A7.
Right, so why aren't people using the bum gun?
I don't know.
But we look pretty stupid.
Okay, we gonna pay for the car, you know, so.
Yeah, okay. Oh, good grief. Oh, this is crazy. Is that hand wash?
They allow only for 3 bags for 1 summer, for 1 trip.
Oh.
You can check all this and pay another $1,000. But anyway, now we get this car for 200 baht already.
The bargain hunter. They're very good in Big C. They help you to push all these out. June looks like the nutcase with all the toilet rolls. Oh, the toilet paper's running out. Quick, quick, panic buy. Everybody keeps looking at us with these toilet papers. When I was going down that escalator, just they got some right looks. People looking at us as if we're robbing all the toilet paper, panic buying. 200, that's okay. Okay, okay.
250.
250?
Yes.
Oh. Ooh. Bog rolls on the pole. Do you like that?
ชื่อจิ้วค่ะ
Jiu. Pang expensive, huh?
ฟังแป้งค่ะฟังแป้ง
Size 7.
ไปไหนกันคะยาย
So this is what a day consists of. Going around town, buying things. Surprising how much toilet paper we get through. How many is it with both bars, Hugh? It's quite a lot, isn't it? I mean, what we just bought there is only enough for, say, 2 weeks worth. Where we haven't taken the toilet paper to the other bar, June. Anyway, I just thought I'd vlog my 3 or 4 hours of the day today. I'm looking at bars here, it's quite busy. So guys, thank you for watching. Say goodbye, June. Thank you very much, guys. Until next time, see you later.